Alright, let me know in the chat if everything's smooth, you guys can hear me and it's not lagging. Alright, let me know in the... I can hear that and it seems smooth. So, that should be good. Let me just get the comments up. And when you guys are ready, start putting down the currency pairs that you would like me to start analyzing. But for now, I'm just going to start on GBP USD and just look at what direction the market is going in so you guys can look for some trades. So as always, let's go from a daily time frame. Might as well start fresh, because there's barely anything that's on the chart. But yeah, as I've been saying for the last few weeks or the last couple of live streams, what GBP USD is doing is that it's currently just recovering from the big drop off here. So literally, so we had like where the coronavirus started happening and the currency pair went into consolidation, and this is where lockdown started to affect the markets, and that's getting a massive drop off. So literally what the currency pair is doing right about now is just recovering. So you're seeing a push, then you're getting that continuation, then we're going to get a second push upwards to the upside. So in the longer picture, we're looking for longs, but in the short term we could be looking for shorts, because there's a strong downtrend right here, which has been happening for the last couple of weeks, and the market's just opened. So finding our supply and resistance, I always go onto the line chart. Three weeks bearish for GU. Yeah, so it's been quite a while. So yeah, literally GBP USD has been dropping. But I reckon we could see a reversal this week. So our closest support would be around about here. We got support here as well. Resistance. Let's do that. Resistance here. Change it. See if that looks quite accurate. That looks decent. So let's go into the 4 hours, see if we can adjust that a bit. Yeah, it looks decent. As you can see, it's going in a downward trend as well, so where it's making lower lows and lower highs. So if I just put a trend line here, you see how it's making lower lows and lower highs. If the currency here struggles to break the support level to make another lower low, then we could be looking for a reversal. Most probably at this level. So you can see that it's at equal lows at the moment. So if it struggles to make that lower low, something that we'd be looking for is a push to the upside with a retest of this structural level to continue to the upside. And literally, it's just the currency pair making higher highs and higher lows instead of lower lows and lower highs. So you want to see a trend, something like that happening. If you get what I mean? For the reversal. So going back from the daily, you can see a push to the upside, continuation. So we literally have a bullish flag. We got equal lows. So back to the 4 hour time frame, if we see it start to make higher highs and higher lows, then we can literally go in for a trade. around this structural level. Sorry if this looks confusing as well. A lot of people will just be seeing lines, but I'm trying to break down the market in like as simple as possible in segments. So if you're just coming onto the live stream now and you're seeing a bunch of drawing, go back, replay it, and just like try to understand what I've been saying. But yeah, if I just take away all these lines, this would be something I would be looking for. I can even get rid of that. Actually, let's put that back there, just so you know what I'm talking about, because this is currently resistance. Well, minor resistance, but resistance can become support, and it could continue to the upside. Someone said GJ, I could do that in a second, Euro USD, I could do that, but I could do it, but like GU and Euro USD, like they move in the same direction. Would you stay in GU buys for long because trend is bearish? No. Never trade against the trend, so I wouldn't even buy them when it's selling momentum, unless it's a swing trade and a half, like holding it for a few months. And that would be minimal risk, maximum reward. Yeah, but this is what we're looking at. GU, literally the candle opened bearish as well, so it could continue to the downside. So that's a possibility for longs, because just going off from the daily and showing that we're in a bull flag pattern at the moment, so you trade with the trend. If not, if you're looking for shorter term, you'd be targeting levels like this. I'm about to go over GU shorts because it seems like it's continuing to the downside. So if that doesn't happen, and let's do, I'm gonna my line. What should I do? Pink. Alright, cool. So if it breaks the structural level, it doesn't matter how far it goes back down. Yeah, so it could go to around about this level. On retest of this area right here, it could break slightly higher, but on retest of this level, this is where you'd be looking to take your shorts. So something like that, that's what you'd be looking for. Because I will have to see if there's any news. But yeah, it can literally be something like this. So you'll be looking for the retest around this level, and that literally could be a descending channel. So you see what I mean? A descending channel, then to push the upside for the bigger picture. So I've gave you what's possible and also what's probable. What about the 1 hour? So yeah, you could go into the 1 hour. 1 hour is still bearish. So literally what you're seeing from the 1 hour, just getting a bit more detail. So if I could just quickly draw, you see this push, you got a continuation, you get a second push. If you're getting a continuation to this level, you could be looking for a push to the downside, so something along them lines to continue for the shorts. However, if it does break, just wait for it to test this next level right here before entering the long. Yeah, you could look for shorts, but I'm giving you guys both. So if it doesn't go for a short, then you got opportunities for a long, or vice versa. So a lot of things could happen. It's GU is GU, but like, yeah, if it retests that level right here, or form some type of continuation pattern with a break to the downside, just sell it on momentum. That's GU, and hopefully you could get a good trade from that. But that's the analysis for GU. Someone said GP, JPY. Oh, guys, if you're in this live stream right now, make sure that you leave a like on it. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, share it with a friend. Sorry for last week as well, because connection was very, very poor. So I couldn't do it because my stream was lagging, my computer was moving all slow. So I couldn't do it. So if it's running smoothly on your side, please tell me. Yeah, I'm gonna do Euro and UJ in a second, but I'm gonna do GBP, JPY. I don't remember the last time. So yeah, this is actually crazy, like, because when I've done TJ before, it done exactly what I said it was gonna do, which is crazy. Like, I said it was gonna break lower, come back with a retest, and literally that'll be your target 1. This will be target 2. Obviously, it never reached target 2, but it literally did. Like, it literally broke out, retested right there. So if I go to the 15-minute, you can see where you got your retest towards this level, and it pushed upwards. And yeah, unfortunately, it didn't reach target 2, and it just, yeah, it broke. But yeah, but that's crazy to see. It just shows you that I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, and it broke lower because GBP pairs were dropping. Does anyone know why it was dropping? Yes, subscribe, thank you. I didn't even see that. But yeah, thanks for the subscription. Alright, let's do GJ now. Come on, replay mode. So let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what's happening. So we got support. Oh, there's someone bagging me or something. Ultra static, thanks for the subscription. I really need to change it. Like, I need to get a little like GIF or something to make it, I don't know, like seem more congratulating or something. Well look. So GJ, obviously we got this massive bearish channel which is forming, which is, well, already formed, I guess. Let's get rid of some of these lines that I put before. We're going to keep that area. Like yellow. How's everyone doing though? How's this lockdown treating you guys? Has anything happened dramatic? Alright, so from daily, I'm going to say longs. Because we got support here, and we got this little channel that's forming, but let's go to the 4 hours so you get a better indication. got that head and shoulder that formed. And we got more minor support towards this level. Lowdown's dragging. Yeah, to be honest, like, it is, but you know what? It's dragging, but there's no vaccination, so if everyone comes back out, like, there's just gonna be a second spike, and there's just gonna be more deaths, and it's just gonna get even longer. But it is what it is, man. You just gotta deal with it, I guess. So some longs, it's opened up bullish as well. That's always a good sign. You can see when we zoom into the candle, you can see that towards, like, as it's getting to the support level, it's losing out on the bearish momentum. So you can see this is a fat candle, but as it's getting closer and closer to support, it's losing this bearish momentum, and it's opened up bullish. So that's always a good sign. So in terms of entries, you can see that it's leveling out right here. So in terms of entries, we want to see something like this. It's most probably going to go up for a bit, because this is what tends to happen, is that people see that it's making equal lows, then they go for buys, but there's always a push to downside to grab that liquidity. So this is what I'm predicting GJ to do. Bunch of indigestion. Try that for you. If it breaks to the downside, wait for that retest towards this level, then to take it for a buy. There you go. And that'll be first target. Damn, this one looks nice. And it's not even like we're trying to catch a very big move. This one could very easily just be like a good move. So on the daily, there's support 4 hour. There's also support in that channel. You can see that it's losing out on momentum on the hour time frame. And now all we're looking for is the low retracement. And this could just be part of the pattern. So even if it is bearish, so let's say that it is bearish at the moment. If it was bearish, now all we're looking for is the retracement. And if we get out right there, like, we be safe. Then if it continues to the downside, then that's alright. At least we've got our pips and we're out. So that's GJ for you guys. Let me know if the stream is running smoothly for you guys. And if you're in this right now, make sure that you like the video. Make sure you check out some more of my content. If you're looking for a broker, link will be down in the description to a new broker. What else? If you haven't yet joined my Telegram group, if you're in this live right now, you're most probably in my Telegram group. Or if you're not in my Telegram group, make sure you join the Telegram group. There's a lot of free content that's out there for you. I think we're like 525 people that's in the chat now, which is crazy. It's just grown. It's grown so much. Last time I looked at it, it was like 500. Now we're at 525. I literally looked at it like yesterday. So that's crazy. So yeah. Buys for GU, but it could also be sells. GJ, I'm saying buys, strongly buys. Just even if it's just a little retracement, you can enter a buy, definitely. But yeah, someone said Euro USD, James. All right, let's do Euro USD. zoom out. Cool. So this has been happening. This has been going on for so long. So just giving you guys an insight on my analysis right here. So even if I go from the weekly, so weekly is being in this little channel going downwards. Then within this channel we got another channel. So that's our channel looking at the daily. And obviously there's been a fake out this time, and it's come right back into structure. I'm making my eyes water from touching it. However, instead of breaking straight back into structure like how this one done, this one's actually going in a corrective format. So we know when, well, I know when I'm looking at a corrective format, it's normally a continuation to push to the upside or downside. So in this case, we see a massive bullish move to the upside, and now we're seeing a corrective move back to the downside. So I'm looking for it to touch towards this support level before taking it for a long. And that's why I've done this little zone, because this is where most of the support is. We got one, you can say that's like 2, 3, 4. And we've got this little area here as well. But like towards this level, this is where we should be waiting for the retest. Obviously it's opened up bullish. And like I said, Euro USD and GBP USD are very, very correlated. Wow. Why am I crying? Jesus. Alright. Cool. So we got minor support here. So we can just put a line where we're getting all that minor support. You can see that as we got to this little area, it's consolidating, meaning that it's most likely to be a continuation pattern, so like a little bullish flag. So if I just quickly draw that out for you guys. So I'm looking for something like this. Or, if it doesn't form this bullish flag right here, we are most likely to get something like this. You get like a break to the downside with a continuation to the upside. So I'm saying bulls on this pair as well, and I'm saying bulls in GBP USD, because this could really easily just be a little pullback. That's not clean at all. But you guys get where I'm coming from. So a push, continuation for a second push to the upside. So I'm saying longs in terms of entries. You could really easily like get into this pair for a long. Because like right here, we've got a little like consolidation area. So now, if you break out this area, you can even take this on momentum. What about EU daily imbalance? Daily imbalance in EU. Where are you seeing this imbalance, bro? I can't see an imbalance. Where are you seeing it? Give me a level and I'll mark it out, but I'm not seeing an imbalance. That's what I was saying. You guys could easily take this for a long. So you can take it on momentum, which would be risky, by the way. So if you take it on momentum, as soon as it breaks this level, you enter a buy, and let's say it's pushing up. As soon as it gives signs of it slowing down, that's where you should get out of the buy and just take what you could get. I'll mark that out in a second. Yeah, take what you could get, or be smart, be patient, wait for that retest, and take it to this level. So that's what I'm targeting. Easy money. Then that'll still be like towards your like little trend as well. So let's do that yellow. So yeah, that's a very nice trade. That's looking nice, very nice structure. Yeah, that's EU. So going back to James Hickens. Hold on, line up. One 0 2 9. I see what you mean. However, I wouldn't even call it an imbalance, because when you check this candle, like most of the candles are around about that size anyway. So I wouldn't really call it an imbalance. I'll call this more imbalance right here or here, because these candles are much larger than these ones, if you know what I mean. So it's not really an imbalance in my opinion. But I see where you're coming from, but yeah. And you gotta look at it structurally as well. There's a lot of things saying that yeah, this is gonna continue to the upside. So I've done GJ, I've done Euro USD, done GU, USD JPY. Should I do USD JPY? Let's do that. Alright, so that's happened. My prediction never happened. So this is why I don't trade the pair. This is why I don't trade GJ. I mean USD JPY. Alright, so we're in this little consolidation. Just gonna make it a bit easier. Let's get that. You know what? Damn, look at GG. You know what, I'm just going to take this from the 4 hour, because this pair is looking very messy at the moment. So I'm going to cut all of like that out, not focus on it. Obviously we've got this massive imbalance that's due to get filled in. So let's mark that out. Yeah, you guys make sure you guys give me the currency pairs that you guys are looking at. You guys want me to look at myself, so I could give you a direction, or just like sometimes people are just looking for someone to like be correct, not be correct, like just confirmation, just to know like literally like what they're saying is right. So you know, if I say yeah, I'm looking for buyers and you was looking for buyers, it's just like I did like reason why you should enter it. You know what I mean? So at the moment, USD JPY, we're in this little range, looking messy in my opinion. Right now, let's go into our time frame. So we got this level. However, we're in the middle. We're in the middle of what's it called? Of support and resistance, which we called no man's land, because if it's not a support or resistance, you don't know whether you should buy or sell. Therefore, just do not touch the currency pair, in my opinion, for now, because anything can happen. This could be a double bottom, then it could go up, or it could trickle down for a bit, then push up. Like, anything can happen. We don't know the clear direction of the currency pair, so for now I wouldn't trade it. However, just going off logic, this could take a while. Wait for that retest, imbalance right there, target this level, because from daily it looks very messy. We've got these imbalances which hasn't been filled in for weeks. Got a double bottom where it's rejected, and we're starting to see bullish pressure, so I'll be looking for buys. However, do not enter the trade until it's at support or resistance level, and wait for the retest. So I'm saying retest around about this area. So I'll say, yeah, about this level. So maybe at 107,500. So yeah, that's my thoughts for UJ. Is there any other currency pairs that you guys want me to go over? I'm gonna go over AUD USD right about now, because okay, AUD USD hasn't quite played out. So obviously, say it was gonna retest the level. It broke just above that level, then it continued to the downside. So now it looks like it's forming a bear flag. Ooh. So hopefully, let's go to the hourly time frame. Hopefully we can see a dropout, so we can see like another bear flag within it as well. It's very messy. You know what? Go to a line chart. Okay, cool. So now you're looking for some shorts. If it breaks this level, because there's support right there. However, it doesn't really matter, because that is very minor, and we could be looking for nice shorts. It's opened up very bearish actually. Very, very bearish. So this one's looking to be a good one. Could even be we could be reserved with that stop loss. Yeah, I'll go to USD CAD in a second. AUD USD, I'm looking for some shorts. Let's be looking for some shorts on that one. So who is currently in the chat? We've only got 10 people that's live. However, we got 10 likes, so that's a good thing. So everyone that's on this live right now have liked it, which is good. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Yeah, 10 people, that's disappointing. It makes me feel like there's no need for me doing this if I got 1,000. I've nearly got 1,300 subscribers and only 10 people's on my live. So it looks like it's not important. What I'm doing is not useful. Well, it's at use for 10 people. Yeah, this trade is looking very nice. Very, very nice. So this could be something I could get into. Let's look at USD CAD. Oh, nice. Nice. That was literally on point. That's very nice. It's filled in that imbalance. So if you guys watched my last live stream, then you would have seen that I said that's going to retest this level, which it did sharply, and now it retested levels like this. So yeah, that's very nice. You guys caught that. How many pips would that be? 224. Wow. That's nice. That's very nice. So it seems like it's slowing down though. As it's getting to this level, it's slowing down. Keep doing this, bro. You learn a lot there. Thank you. Thanks. But yeah, let's go for the daily time frame. That for people, you know what? For people that watched my last live, I told people that after it's filled in this gap, now that it's done the filling, it's gonna start to recover, which is very nice. So now all we're seeing is that we literally got that continuation. We've got that continuation right here. So let's see what else. Filled in that imbalance as well. It looks like it's losing momentum. Go to the hourly time frame. Let's see if we get a bit of a picture. That one hasn't quite engulfed that one. Structurally, what would we be looking for? At the moment, it looks like it could possibly short. What would you look for next week? Would you wait for price to tell us something? What do you mean? Are you talking about USD CAD? What currency pair are you talking about? So, are you talking about USD CAD, the one that I'm currently analyzing? Because right now, it looks like the currency pair is about to drop off because you can see that it's losing momentum. It's a very corrected pair, but you can see that it's losing momentum and there's a lot more bearish candles. brother. So while I'll say it's that uncertain times. However, if you are looking for shorts, make sure, you know what, this is another key level. Let's just say the key level is right about here. So right about there. It was rejected. I think it was also in the 15-minute time frame. There is shorts. There's shorts. Yeah, so you are shorting. Wait for a retest to this level and to take it down here. If you are shorting. However, USD CAD is correlated with oil, and it's also correlated from the dollar index. So also look at those for entering USD CAD. For now, it looks like a slowdown. Could be waiting for a retest, but I'm saying shorts back to this level before it continues higher. But yeah, that is what I am saying for that one. So, any other currency pairs? Let's look at oil. Oil's been moving nuts. If you guys want me to do another currency pair, just tell me. At the moment, I'm just looking at oil, seeing what it's currently doing. It's filled in that. Wow, it filled in that gap. That is crazy. That is crazy, man. There's no real trend here, is there? Get rid of that trend line. You know what, let me just drop the key levels that I'll be looking for. For oil, I'll be looking for this level. Very key level in the market. This level as well. There's quite a clear uptrend actually. For So US oil could short for a bit, come back to this level, which also goes with the USD CAD coming back down before it goes upwards. AUD USD is just dropping off. Most likely to continue. US 30. That looks alright. Who is still in the chat? Is anyone still in the chat? How many people do we have in there? If you're still in the chat, put a thumbs up. As in like, not like it, like thumbs up in the chat. Nice. Yeah, nice. US 30. Oh, you guys, literally, I should be dropping a video. I know I said this like 2 weeks ago, but I should be dropping a video. Hopefully, I know I haven't dropped a video for like months, but I should be dropping a video. There's no excuse of why I shouldn't drop a video this week about a strategy. So, for you guys that's in the stream right now, what strategy would you like me to do? Because I might consider. There's 10 people in here, so I can see 10 options. So it means that basically you're more likely to get your strategy shown. I know what kind of strategy I'll be looking to show you guys, and it will just be like a top-down analysis, and it will be like showing you more about like raw price action rather than people showing you like indicators, or if people was like, you see when people show you a strategy, they will show you like half the strategy. Then it's if you want to learn more about this, then they will like link their course, or they'll say message me, and it'll like get you to pay for mentorship or something like that. I'm gonna give you like the full strategy video, so I'm gonna try to do it in a 10-minute long video, because I know you guys can't watch my videos for long. Even I can't watch my videos for long. It's very boring. But yeah, that's what I'm looking to do this week, or the week up and coming. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Euro USD, I mean US 30, downtrend. Our time frame. Alright, cool. $15-minute time frame. Making a leg. Alright, cool. Yeah, that's US 30. Your CAD and trade your CAD is looking very messy. Last day for that long, it went long. What could I say? Euro NZD, very nice pair. AD USD looks so nice from the daily. USD CHF. I've done that. That was a nice trade right there. Alright, people. Before I leave, is there any other currency pair that you guys would like me to do? Because everyone's like being inactive now. It's coming up to an hour. I think it's coming up to an hour. Yeah, the stream's coming up to an hour. If there's anything else, it's time to let me know now, because if not, I'm signing out, and you guys should get a video this week about strategies. If not, well, I'm gonna do it. But make sure you join the Telegram group. Get all the free content you need, the courses, the videos, just chatting within the community, which is global. A lot of people that's in there. But yeah, last chance. I just recording me. Nothing? Alright. So that's everything from me today. Everyone that's in here, hope that you enjoyed the live stream. I gave a few shouts from the currency pairs. Hopefully you guys make some pips in the market today. If you have any questions or inquiry, text me on Telegram or at me in the group chat on Telegram. No point texting me on Instagram, because I'm not even answering DMs right about now. Yeah, but yeah, it's your boy Jordan. I am out. Ooh.